This is the remnants of a rewire. R.I.P. Legacy.
Once they ride on the dance floor, you've been waiting all winter long, hearing them go on and on, just so you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the big enough.
So first night out here without Chance. Finally got this to line up. So you can see I got that gap, but that's because the AC delete's obviously much taller. So I made a panel for the back of that. So we should be good with that. I'll put that on there, and then I should be able to lock that thing down. And up here we were gonna do the dial controller, but I don't think that's gonna work. So I'm gonna make a panel for that, but I'm actually gonna get the radio and put back in there to sit. So we'll see how that goes. It's Christmas Eve, so it's only right that we get gifts. Finally ordered the right Deutsch clips from Jegs. They're on sale right now from Nitrous Outlet. So shout out to them. I got a whole bunch of them, whichever I need. But the big part here, I know Kenny and Terry are excited. We got some springs here. Oh, they're boxed up. How disappointing. But front coil springs, we're doing it. This is the remnants of a rewire. R.I.P. Legacy. All right, so as you can see, we got the new front springs with those bent. I would say they're pretty close. What they probably do, they said that they mentioned that they probably try to heat it up and shrink that thing.
Do women know about shrinkage?
What do you mean, like laundry?
Instead of cutting a coil off. So we may be like a half a coil short, but they're pretty much match these Moroso ones. So gonna get these new ones so they're not bent over like that and get those on. So Kenny and Terry, I know they're super excited to come help. What's up? We are back again. PJ North Racing. We're doing it. Big day. Kenny, Terry headed over here so we can put on new front springs, new shocks in the front, and start to assemble the brakes. I don't know if we'll get it all done, but try to do as much as we can. So, big day. Let's get after it and see how it goes.
All right, so we gotta get this brake hub off, or this spindle hub, and then because we got new hubs and all that stuff with the new brakes. So trying to get this brake line off, and we'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes.
Tonight we gon' turn it up some, till the sunrise. We only live once, never enough.
It's smoldering out here. The sauna in the garage, but got the brake lines off there, so those are down. Just got to take the rest of this hub off, and we'll keep it moving. Oh, I see. I think it needs to go maybe just a little bit forward. No.
Ramp.
Turn it just a little bit lower. I'm just trying to see where that lower spot. It just.
Turn it. You gotta go to. You gotta go left.
Yeah, it's got a little.
I got
this.
On the jack. I got you here. Ready? I got you.
All are saying it's time. Tonight we gon' turn it up some, till the sunrise. We only live once.
We clamp it and get those over out of the way.
Yeah.
On the outside. They just got one?
No, I got two.
Oh, okay.
I just only had one. I didn't know if you wanted both of them.
Yeah, we need both of them. We need to clamp her down so we can get her.
Yeah. And then what do you need? What is it? You okay? I think I handed it to you.
Shots going down smooth, blowing my mind in your acid wash blue jeans, 1-on-1, just me and you. My 2 hands on your waist ain't gonna lie. Tonight we gon' turn it up some, till the sunrise. We only live once, never enough. We gon' get loud about it.
It probably ain't gonna take a whole lot.
No, that's what I say. We'll collapse it though, and then we'll have it.
When you get it start setting up in there where we can get the jack, it's amazing.
2 hours later.
Turn the hand, whatever.
That's what mine is. Keep going.
Here's the real question: can they get back up?
I had to get vertical for a minute.
Hey, we got one. Good job, Kenny.
Let her down there, man.
Look at that. Got some springs in. Hopefully it's the right ride height so we don't have to do it again. All right. We got new hubs getting ready to go on here.
It won't go up?
Springs in. Don't worry, they figure it out.
It's a lot loose. A little bit.
Well, it's probably 15, 16.
Yeah.
It's a good job. Decent job.
God, all y'all want me to do is keep spending money.
Yeah, I spend all your money.
It's already spent, brother.
Try to dog.
Sybil. All right.
Nothing to it.
Oh, that's about the way you do silicone.
He's so judgy, ain't he?
He is.
That's how much
Hey,
silicone.
especially me.
Hey, that's how much silicone. Silicone's the world.
Sometimes you need it, right?
Hey, it's still
They never leak nowhere, has
still,
it?
mine still leaks. It don't matter. There ain't enough silicone in the world.
Hit a good stopping point for my two dads to leave. Man, they do so much. Yeah, I'm so thankful for those guys. Also, how about that hat? Electric Pomona 89. Yeah, his stopping point. They tell you here you got to drill a half-inch hole in there, and it's these bitch just ain't cutting it. So we're gonna get a bigger drill, try to hammer those out. So we'll do that. Get those calipers on later on this week, and then finish up some stuff as we take a break because I'm gonna be gone for a couple days. So we'll get back to it in just a few days. What's up? So we're taking a break, obviously, for the holidays. Worked on the car and everything. Terry and Kenny gotta come back over. Gotta finish a few things. But I'm in Columbus visiting the parents, and my dad, as you guys know, has been a huge part of racing. Right, he got me into it. He's been racing, working at racetracks, doing all the things forever. And he's also a collector of race car parts and shit everywhere. So I'm gonna go scavenge through some stuff. We're gonna make a few brackets, and we're gonna see if the old man still got it. So let's take a trip to the shop and see. It's like a shrine to my older self. So my parents have been in this building for 40 years almost, I think. And obviously I spent my childhood here, so you can see, let's open this treasure trove. Oh baby. Some of my extra collectibles. Oh yeah, we're grabbing these. Just a couple of the random collectibles I had left over here. What y'all know about that? The Noble 5 car. How about the Jimmy Spencer Noble Winston car? WJ Superman. My guy Jeggy. In the Wheaties coin purse thing. I don't know. Wow. This is one of my favorite Dale cars. Crazy.
Turn it up, turn it up some till the sunrise. We only.
You can see up here just massive collection of parts and things. Just madness. So much to go through, obviously, with my brother and me. I don't know. Pretty crazy. It's a lot of stuff. This is just one half of it. You can see over there just more stuff. Isn't that? It's just stuff he's collected. This is straight line. I don't even know what this is. It's a fiberglass. No telling what it's for, but it's fiberglass. I'm gonna be really mad if it's for Chevelle. Like it, I didn't even have to. They didn't even have to give me these for Christmas. This is just stuff I had. What a collection! Steve Grissom sign, baby.
Never enough. We gon' get loud about it. Far away with the crowd around it. Whole town gonna know now that we're on ones, and now we gon' turn it up some. So now we gon' turn it up some. Oh yeah.
What's up? We are back outside, getting ready to work on some stuff. We've got my little Ella here. Ella girl. She's up for adoption still. We've been fostering her for 2 months, so if you guys are interested in a dog, they don't tell you what she is. She came from Wags and Walks, but she's the best. She's potty trained. She's crate trained. She doesn't bark. She's a good girl. And now she's got a little ham bone, so. But if you're interested, put some pics of the dog. She's great. But we're back at it. We're gonna fix this plate, make sure it fits that Matt made me. Shout out to Matt for helping us out. And Kenny and Terry are headed over tomorrow so we can finish these brakes and get all that and get this thing on the ground. I got some scales. I got a bunch of parts I'm selling. We just got back from Ohio, obviously, so we're getting after it today. Let's see how it goes. More deliveries, obviously, from Jags. I think this is my master cylinder. Let's see. It's a box inside of a box inside of a box. Let's see how this one is. Yep. Master cylinder. Alright, so first we had to add a little pitch to this thing here, as you can see. It's a little pitch so it lays flat. I think we got it pretty close now. I added some, just that. Now I gotta sand it down so I can paint it. It's pretty close. I think I should be able to paint it though pretty easily. So just gonna hit it with a sander just quickly. Now we're ready. Damn, these have bifocals in them. It's really blurry down the bottom. Alright, we're ready to paint this thing black. Obviously just simple, it's going behind this panel, so we're just painting it to match the dash. Maybe. Seemingly worked. We'll see if it works. Let it dry. Doing a little brake light wiring. That carpet, we'll run that back. So a little bit at a time, see if we got some brake lights. Boom, made it all the way back. Now we'll run it down over here to the tail lights and see if we can't get this thing to work. I had my dad and Todd cut me some weight, 20 pounds here. They're 19 pounds, so I got 4 of them. Let's see if they fit. Like an idiot, I measured it with the top on, and they're an inch, about 3/4 of an inch too wide, so I'll have to get that fixed. But oh well, we at least have them here. All right, here's the real test. I'm gonna turn these lights on. Obviously, ignore that. That's going up there. We're gonna test these lights out, see if I fix them. Hey, tail lights on both sides. Now let's see if the brake light works. I don't have no brake, so maybe not gonna reach. All right, I don't know about that, but we've got tail lights, so that's a start. What's up? We're back. One more. We got Kenny and Terry here coming over. Hopefully get these brakes done. That'll be exciting. I gotta finish up a bunch of stuff. It's kind of just slow but sure. Keep putting it together. If they can help me with the brakes, I feel pretty good, but we gotta move some stuff around because we don't really have a lot of space. So let's get the garage spaced out a little bit for us. Won't defeat me yet. Got a bolt through. Let's go. I don't know if y'all can tell, we're running a damn NASCAR team over here. We've been cutting and drilling and grinding, but woo, boys and girls, brakes are mounted. Gotta get a few pieces to finish them off, but let's go. Shout out to these guys right here, man. Justin and the whole team at Mosier. They set me up with fronts because obviously they don't make those for my setup, but got the Mosiers on the back. Man, we out here doing it, baby. Progress. All right, I think this is my radio, but it's just supposed to be a radio panel, so I don't know why it's in such a big box. Let's see. JK, this is a shifter. Shout out to Troy Ross. At first I was like, why is this so big? But shout out to Troy. Hooked it up here. We did end up switching to front exit. You can see here it's got all that stuff. Just got to put the solenoid in it and get it cleaned up here. But should fit my program. He had it on his, so should be all good. It's got a cable in it. Shout out to Troy Ross. We'll get that mounted. Let's go. All right, I lied. Here's the radio. I think this time at least. Let's knock this out. Kind of sick. Super clean, original OEM replacement. We'll see if it fits. Excellent. So that'll be cool. Get that in there. Have a radio in there and go from there. Finally. Got it in. Shout out to Matt for making that plate for me. Looks pretty good. I like it. It's got a little pitch on it to go down through there and everything worked out. Now we just gotta get the radio. What's up? As we finish off this third video of rebuilding the Chevelle, we've made a ton of progress. Shocks, springs, brakes, dash, or panel, I should say, wiring panel, switch panel, tail lights. We've done a lot of stuff. Got the shifter back. We got the radio thing. So much happening. So much happening. But in this one, as we're going to get into it next, our next goal is to finish the brakes. We've got those brake lines coming. Get this thing back on the ground. Make sure the ride height's right. Make sure everything's good. Weigh it with what we have. Hopefully our transmission, we'll have that by the next video. Maybe not, I don't know yet. But we're gonna have it. And then, yeah, man, we're making our way. Our goal is to get, my goal is Belle Rose. Gainesville would be awesome, but Belle Rose is our goal. So that's our focus. But thanks for watching. Episode number 3. This is PJ North's Race Cars. I don't know if y'all heard that. It's PJ NRC. Oh, man, not really, but that would be awesome. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, see you.
Once they ride on the dance floor, you've been waiting all winter long, hearing them go on and on, just so you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the big enough.